Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your .jpg files are not opening on Windows, then watch this video. Now the first thing we need to do is check for the file extension if it's really a JPG file. So we'll open the folder where JPG file is located and we'll see that this is a .jpg file. If you're not getting this view, then you can click on view and click on details and you'll get this. So right now I will right click on it and then I will click on open with, and I can open it by photos and it opens, or I can open it with paint and it will open. But if it doesn't open with photos or paint, the next thing to do is to update the apps photo and paint. So for that I will go to the Microsoft Store and I will click on library, and in library if I get update here, then I will click on update all the apps and it should update the photos and then it should work. But if it doesn't work even then I have to repair and reset photos. So I will go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, and then I will search for photos, and I will click on these three dots here, go to advanced options, and then I will click on repair till I get the check mark, and then I will click on reset and reset again, and it should open now. But if it doesn't, then the only other option is to uninstall it. So we'll go to uninstall, uninstall again, and then we will reinstall it from the Microsoft Store by looking for photos, and we will click on get here. It's open for me because I didn't uninstall it, but if you have uninstalled it, then you will get the get option here and click on it and it should install by itself. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.